Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to get Apple Music for free. This is a very simple tutorial, so watch until the end. The first step is opening your App Store. Then, go to the search bar, and then type Shazam. Now, usually, Apple Music provides you a free 1-month trial for their app, but with this tutorial, I'll help you get more. Shazam is partnered with Apple, so there's no need to be scared of any viruses. Just simply follow the rules and you will get free Apple Music. So, Shazam is an app that saves music you listen to. Once you listen to a song and it ends, Shazam will give you an offer of 3 months of Apple Music for free. This may not be permanent, but at least it's 3 months. That's more than enough to save for Apple Music whenever you complete the trial. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.